Hi, I'm Wendy O'Brien, personal trainer and group fitness instructor here at the Arena Club, and I am here to share with you the Arena Fitness Tip of the Day. The most asked question that I often receive is, how do you stay fit after 50? So I'm here to tell you that what we used to do, what we could get away with in our 20s, 30s, 40s, doesn't really work anymore. It's not enough. So what I suggest that my clients do, or my class participants do, is when they're in their cardio training, steady state training isn't really enough anymore. I suggest at least 2 days a week of high intensity interval training. If we get on a piece of equipment, just push play and go, that's not enough. Our bodies are smart, they streamline, they know how to conserve energy over time. So if we work in a high intensity interval, periods of absolute complete effort followed by shorter periods of rest, our body finding that start, stop, burns a lot of calories. So I find that that's very efficient, a great use of time, because as we know, extra time is kind of like extra money. It's not really out there. And with strength training, I don't really recommend spending every session isolating into biceps or isolating into lunges. So here are two of my favorite exercises that are compound, puts everything together and helps you create a more efficient use of your time when you work out. So I might select the weight that I'm going to use for bicep curls. I will do 2 curls, set them down, jump back to plank, jump into flat, pick them up by using my legs, and returning to the bicep curl. So I'm hitting upper body, core, lower body, all in the same time frame. That's the first exercise. Say I wanted to focus on lunges and shoulders. I could settle into my lunge and lunge press. Perfect, and there's your Arena Fitness Tip of the Day.